you very much. So we have quite a few speeches prepared tonight, and I just didn't want to bombard you with yet another speech. So I decided, instead of a best man speech, I prepared a best man song. DJ, can you cue me up, please? Dude, I gave you a USB stick, remember? Ah, look at that face, he got so scared. I'm just kidding, I don't have any songs. It was a joke. It's like almost a heart attack. So this is my first best man speech, and I did a lot of research to prepare for this very moment. And throughout that research online, I found that most best man speeches consist of the best man just roasting and roasting through. But I don't want to do that tonight. Instead, I want to focus on only Jason's good qualities.
Thank you.
Jason, Alessia, thanks for coming out tonight. We couldn't have done this without you. So there comes a time in everyone's life when you meet your one true love. And boy, is that an incredible feeling. You're smiling more than ever, your heart's beating, and love fills you with an intense, happy emotion. And I'll argue that that moment happened to Jason when he first met me 27 years ago. That's right. For those I don't know, my name is Derek Arcuri, and I am Jason's younger brother. And while I've known Jason for 27 years, I've only liked him for 5 of those years. And throughout that time, I got to see Jason grow and go through his major milestones. I've seen Jason grow from the annoying older brother and transform into the slightly less annoying older brother he is today. Now, growing up, despite our polar opposite personalities, Jason and I had a lot of good times. Jason always wanted to play fight, and I just wanted to get over my asthma and breathe like that. But we play fought. And in fact, I remember one particular play fight. Jason, he was like, I think 3 times as big as I was at that time. He got me by the arms and he started to swing and swing and swing until shoulder dislocated. And I know what you're thinking, and yes, I was raised in an ultra-violent household. My parents are not happy about that. My girlfriend's niece is like, that's why he has issues. So I have a vague memory of the doctor popping my shoulder back into its socket. But I have a clear memory of wanting to seek revenge on my brother. But revenge never came until today when Jason decided to marry a woman capable of just kicking his ass. That's right. Alessia has ran countless marathons. She survived obstacle courses, and she can hold a 20-minute plank. Finally, a woman capable of holding Jason down both physically and metaphorically. Alessia, just be careful that Jason can still bite you with his beautiful white teeth. So I've never actually stopped seeking revenge. I hold grudges. And I thought, wouldn't it be a great idea if perhaps I got my revenge today on this very podium in front of his closest friends and family? What do you think? Yep. Yeah. Well, I thought that given that Jason has given me the title of the best man, perhaps this is finally his way of admitting that I am the best of the two. So I'll embrace my position as best man, and I'll steer away from the roasting. But jokes aside, Jason has really impressed me over the last few years. He's passionate. He's passionate about his career, he's passionate about his friends that he surrounds him with, and he's passionate about his new, beautiful bride, my big sister. Alessia, I can't think of anyone that would make a better wife to Jason. You're incredibly patient, generous, and kind. I'm just really happy that when you shared that cab ride home with Jason, that when you held his hand, you woke something up in him. Jason, after years of fighting, we finally become friends. As kids, our differences used to distance us, but now that we've matured, we've grown past that and we're closer than ever. And though I've never admitted this to you, I think that Alessia has helped us bring us closer. She makes you smile grander than I've ever seen you smile. She makes you love more than I've ever seen you love. And she makes you the man I call my best friend. I'm incredibly humbled to be your best man and brother. And I'm glad that you chose Alessia to spend the rest of your life with. You both are a very important part of my life. So with that said, I'd like you all to join me in a toast. I actually don't even have my own toast, so I'll just grab it. Thank you. To Alessia and Jason, may they continue making themselves happy, each other happy. Cheers.